No, it's romantic.
Oh my god, she's really gonna do it. I gotta get a picture.
Me and Jackie.
I'm videoing it.
Stop.
Will you do it? Will you do it? Can I sit in into your mouth?
What is attractive about vomiting into my mouth?
Can I break it up a little bit?
Yeah. No.
No, take it. Whole bone.
She's gonna eat it. What's in this?
It's a calcium and dog poop and...
Will I really get $20 for doing this?
I want to see the $20 bill on the table.
I don't have 20 on me. I have no money. I thought I had a $20 bill on me.
I might do it for $20.
I have
You have my $20.
$20 to do the whole bone. Yeah. Give her $20.
No.
Go hard. Go big or don't go home.
Excuse me. There's a $20 bill out there.
Wait, I have to swallow it.
If you're talking about money, no. If you're talking about money, you gotta do a full bone. You gotta have a full bone.
I can do a full bone. I can do this. Mike would do it, so no one should do it. I really want $20. I'll eat it.
$20, yeah, that's good.
Oh my god, that's
I really want $20.
No, I want $20. And you'll pay $20.
I don't have money on me, so I can't get it.
Did you go to Georgetown with your mom's friends? They'll drop like $200.
So no one will pay me $20 to do this.
For like, you know,
No, Jack.
I totally
They just
would
got
have
money,
done
you
it.
don't know what to do with it.